So how to insert symbols on Google Docs. Now I'm just going to show. So you just need to click on the insert option here. Then go to the special characters option here on the insert tab menu. So just click here. You can see a box here. So here you can see symbols. So you just select if it changed, you just need to select the symbol. So now you can select a subcategory. So there's a lot of options over here. For an example, I need a tick mark, so you can just draw the tick mark here. So now it automatically shows the tick mark. If you need a tick mark or whatever that you want, easily you can pick from here. Just make a tick mark. If you want a X mark like this, you can easily pick this, and then you just need to select it and increase the size, and you can use it for your own use by this thing. You can also search anything like an emoji, or just click here for drawing a new thing like this. You can see the symbols have been here, so you can draw anything like this. For an example, like this. So whatever that you want, whatever symbol that you want, you can easily draw here, or you can search by the reason characters. You can click the reason characters, click on the category option, and you can find your symbols here. So by this option you can use insert special symbols or whatever that you want. So try this option on Google Docs now, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below for more videos about Google Docs.